National Weather Service office in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Peoria, Tazewell, Woodford, McLean, and Livingston until 12:24 p.m. At 11:38 p.m., the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing penny-sized hail, damaging winds in excess of 65 miles per hour, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. The storm was located near Peoria, and is moving east at 50 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this storm include East Peoria, Washington, Eureka, Sickler, El Paso, Gridley, Shungoa, and Fairbury. This storm is also capable of producing a tornado. The safest place to be during a severe thunderstorm is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter in the lowest floor or an interior hallway room such as a closet. Anyone inside mobile homes and/or vehicles, please evacuate immediately. Stay away from windows and avoid all metal objects. If you're outside and can't get in a building, lay flat in a ditch and take cover. Report any damages to your local emergency services and disaster agency at area code 309-555-2286. Once again, the National Weather Service office in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for these counties until 12:24 p.m.